Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Albondigas soup. Alright, next up for our soup is going to be potatoes. I'm going to show you how to peel them and dice them. Okay, this is a regular russet potato. They're great for soups, as you probably already know. So I like to use the old-fashioned peeler for this, and a couple of different ways. You can go yourself like this, or you can do it as sort of a paring knife. I just like these old style because they have a nice pivot to them. I think I find the newer ones more bulky, but whatever works for you is great. So as you can see the technique, you can do it either way. I like to just turn it over and then you can just get the other side. Set that aside, and this is nice and washed, so we're going to go ahead, and I like to do it like this. For a potato this size, I like to cut it lengthwise like this, and now again you've got two flat surfaces, so less chance of you getting cut. So then you go ahead with this and just split those lengthwise, and you can push them up against each other to go ahead and make your cut. And again, we want uniformity, the size of the vegetables if possible. And just cut it like that, and you've got some